Hello, civil engineers. Welcome back to the lecture. So the last quantity what I have here is about the reinforcement work. Okay. So for this, I'll go to the SOR number 5.22.6. So come here. I'll go to 5.22.6. If I click on this, you can see here the steel reinforcement work will start. So here we have different types, like if it is a mild steel, hot drawn steel wire, cold twisted, that is CTD bars, then your hot rolled. Then we have TMT bars, that is called a thermomechanically treated. And here the grade is FE500. That is what we are supposed to use in our construction most of the time. So here whatever rate he has given, no, this is up to the plinth level. That means up to the plinth level includes what all? One is your footing will include. Okay. Then your neck column or pedestal column, and then the plinth beam. So up to plinth beam. Okay. So up to this, whatever steel is going to come, you'll consider that in 5.22. And after that, whatever is come, that is steel reinforcement for RCC work, cutting, binding, all complete above the plinth level, whichever will come, we'll consider that in 5.228. Okay, fine. That is how you're supposed to do. But here there is no difference in the rate because I'm concerned with TMT bar of FE500 for per kg. They'll charge 89 rupees, 89.65 rupees. In the same way, here also you see thermomechanical treated above plinth level, it is also 89.65. So there is no difference in the rate. But again, practically when you do that, the contractor will charge you more, like 100 or 150 rupees per kg for every floor. That is what we have seen so far, and that is what usually the contractor does. But here in SOR, they are not given it. It's okay. DSR, it's not given it. It's okay. It doesn't matter. Okay. So understand the rate. It is 89.65. But here it is kg. But whenever we have done the quantity estimation, that is in BOQ, we don't give that in this thing. What is that? Kg. We give it in tons. Okay. The quantity we are going to give in tons, not in kg. Okay. Because if you see our BBS and all, finally, this BBS, whatever we had prepared, if you remember, everything was in ton. This was in kg, but later I'd put that in the ton, isn't it? So that is the reason in my bill of quantities, I'll put it in ton. And SR rate, you just multiply this rate by 1000. That's it. So this is for per kg, no? And we know that, we know 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Yeah, sorry. Wait, not like that. Yeah, this is 1 kg, no? For 1 kg. Yeah, 1 kg is equal to 1 kg. Yeah. So what I'll do for ton. Okay. So 1 ton is equal to how much? 1 ton is equal to 1000 kg. Okay. So always remember 1 ton is equal to 1000 kg. For 1 ton is equal to 1000 kg. For 1 kg, what is the rate given? For 1 kg, the rate given is 89.65. Then for 1 ton, how much it will be? For 1 ton, it will be 1000 into 89.65. Try to do this calculation and tell me how much will be the rate. 1000 into 89.65. So it comes out to be 89,650 rupees for 1 ton. If you want to do 1 ton of steel work, you have to pay a contractor 89,650 rupees. Okay, 650 rupees. This much is understood. So I'll do it here. Okay, I'll keep it here only. No problem. It's understood. Okay, fine. So that is why you just multiply this rate by 89.65. I'll go to the SOR, this one, BOQ. Ton I have written. So rate I have put 78,000. Here I got how much according to our uh, SOR? It is 89,650. I'll put 89,650 according to SOR. No problem. Okay, fine. Now coming to the quantity. From where did I get this 20 ton? So you have to go to your BBS sheets. So in the BBS sheets, what I have done? Footing, I got 0.96 ton. I'll write it here one by one. Footing, I got 0.96 ton plus. Okay. For column, I got 4.64 ton. See, whatever you got in your Excel sheets, you input that because your and my answer slightly it may vary. Okay. Because I teach both in English, Hindi language. Sometimes my Excel sheet will keep on changing. So don't be, but whatever answer I've given, no, that is correct answer. But even if you're getting something different, maybe slight difference, instead of 4.64, if you're getting 4.24 or 4.8 or even 4.4, take that same value. It's okay. Okay. Fine. Plus, this is for column. For beam, only the plinth beam I had explained you, right? So only in the plinth beam, the quantity is 3.862. Okay, but ours is a G+2 structure. Considering that even in the first, okay, anyhow, I'll add 3 point, this later I'll explain you this part. Okay, this is 3.862 ton. Okay, plus this is for the beam, but only plinth beam I had taken because it is a G+2 structure. We require first floor, second floor. That I told you, I gave it as an assignment, but no problem. I'll take only this value for time being to understand. And for the slab, we have 3 floors. It's a G+2 story. We require ground floor, first floor, second floor, and the roof portion. Okay. So in per floor, we were getting 3,417. If you see here, 3,417 kg of steel is required. Almost 3 ton, 3.242 ton of steel is required per floor. So ours is a G+2 structure. So I require this in first floor. In second floor also I require the same thing. And in roof also I'll require the same thing. So I'll just multiply this by 3 times. So that is what I had done here. So I'll get 10,251 kg, which is roughly 10 tons. So I'll write 10 tons here. Okay. Is that okay? I'll write 10 tons. Now add everything. 4.640 plus 3.862 plus 10 plus 0.967. So I'm getting roughly 19.469 tons. Okay. Yeah. This is what I'm getting. But in this, I did not add the staircase part. See, one thing for staircase, I didn't do the BBS now. Okay. But always remember for the staircase, no, this, for staircase, your steel will be almost 200 to 250 kg, not more than that. I'm speaking in terms of kg. Okay. That means it will be roughly 0.2 to 0.25 tons. Okay, this is a rough thumb rule and it will work out for almost all the residential building. So I'll add the same thing here, no problem. In this I'll add for staircase also plus 0.25 only I'll take, no problem. 250 kg of steel I'll take. So in that case this answer will change now. Plus 0.25 I'll do. So it will be 19.719. 719. Okay. So this you can roughly take to be 20 tons. That is what you are supposed to do. Okay. That is one way of understanding. Otherwise, if you want to be more precise, in beam I did only for which one? Plinth beam I did. After that, I have my ground floor. I have my first floor beams. I have my second floor beams. I have my roof beams also. So usually in the beams, what will happen? You get a steel in range of 3 tons, 3.5 tons. This is for only plinth. I have another 2-story structure. I can add that quantity also. I'll tell you what has to be done. So we are doing a G+2. Okay. That means we'll be having a plinth beam. Then your first floor will come, second floor will come, and also roof will come. Again, I'll consider in the first floor also I'll require around 3.5 tons. Okay, I'll consider 3.5. In second floor also I'll require 3.5 tons. And roof very little steel will be required. I'll consider around 2 tons of steel is required. So 3.5 plus 3.5 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. So another 9 tons extra will go. That means 20 already I had got, not 20, I'll tell you what it was. So this is 9. You remember this. I'll not explain you again this. Okay. Yeah. So it was 19.719 tons. Another 9 tons you add. Okay. It will be roughly 28 tons. So 28 tons and you can add another 2 ton extra also if you want. Else 28 tons is enough. Okay. Since we are doing a estimate, 28 tons if you order, it will take care of all the structure element. This much is clear, no? Yeah. So what I'll do, I'll go to the BOQ and here I'll put directly 28 tons. Now you understood from where the 28 tons is coming, no? So I'll put 28 tons. And whatever answer you got in your this thing measurement sheet, that you are supposed to put. Okay. But 28 tons is what I have got, including my first floor, second floor, and roof beam steel quantity where I assume to be 3.5 tons. That is a rough estimate I have done. And usually that much only it will come. Okay, no problem. So take 28 tons. Accordingly, you'll require 25 lakh rupees. And if I put this in dollars, it will be roughly how much? $31,373 is required. Okay, finish. That's it. So this was about the reinforcement part where the maximum budget of your project will come in steel only, because you see 25 lakhs we haven't spent anywhere else in plastering, painting, nowhere, even in concreting also we did not spend. So almost most of the money will go in reinforcement work only, which will be almost 25 lakh rupees. Okay. So up to here, try to prepare your Excel sheets. And in the next lecture, we'll see the other parts, like how to take out this electrification and other charges. Okay, fine. In another one lecture, we'll finish up the complete BOQ. And most of the things I've explained you each and everything in this BOQ. So try to practice it. And this, whatever answer you got, you can take it. You don't have to take 28 because I got it. Whatever you get, even if you get 26 also, it's okay. If you have got 30 tons also, take 30 tons and do the calculation. Later, whenever you do the billing and all, accordingly, you can plan your Excel sheets. Okay. We'll see you back in the next lecture.